In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this manipulation in Photoshop. First of all, create a new document with this details. Open your background image. Download link is in description. Select Move tool and move your image to main document. Adjust image size and position. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl-J. Hide the first one for now. Select Rectangle tool. Follow the process. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. If you see this message, click on Convert to Smart Object. Reduce around 7 pixels. Then click OK. Create a hue and saturation adjustments layer. Click on Clipping Mask icon. Follow the settings. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Reduce around 3 pixels. Then click OK. Pick Text tool. Follow the process. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Choose Outer Glow and follow the settings. Choose Inner Glow and follow the settings. Choose Bevel and Emboss and follow the settings. And hide the top layer. Right-click and choose Clipping Mask. Create a new layer. Choose Polygonal Lasso tool. Follow the process. Choose Gradient tool and follow the process. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect. Go to Filter menu. Blur. Gaussian blur. Reduce around 6 pixels. Then click OK. Open this image. Go to Select. Choose Subject. Press Ctrl C or Command C to copy. Press Ctrl V to paste. Drag it to on top of all layers. Right-click and choose Convert Smart Object. Press Ctrl T and make image smaller. Go to Blending Options. Choose Color Overlay. Choose Black Color and click OK. Go to Filter menu, Blur, Gaussian blur. Reduce 1 pixels. Then click OK. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl J. Press Ctrl T. Right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust the position. Follow the process. Add a mask. Choose Gradient tool and follow the process. And finally add your text. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.